ഹായ് ഗായ്സ്, ഷീ ഈസി എക്സാമിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ആദ്യത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഇതാണ്. ഡിഫറൻസ് ബിറ്റ്വീൻ കറണ്ട് അസറ്റ്സ് ആൻഡ് കറണ്ട് ലയബിലിറ്റി ഈസ്. ഓപ്ഷൻസ്: എ ഓണേഴ്സ് ഫണ്ട്സ്, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി വർക്കിംഗ് ക്യാപിറ്റൽ, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി നെറ്റ്വർത്ത്, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ക്യാപിറ്റൽ. കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ ബി ആണ്, വർക്കിംഗ് ക്യാപിറ്റൽ. That is, difference between current assets and current liability is working capital ആണ് ആൻസർ. Second question. Sales less cost of goods sold equal to. Options: A net profit, option B gross profit, option C working capital, option D closing stock. Correct answer option B ആണ്, gross profit. That is, sales less cost of goods sold equal to gross profit. Third question. Narration is associated with. Option A balance sheet, option B journal, option C ledger, option D trading accounts. Correct answer option B journal. Fourth question. Generally petty cash is maintained under. Option A single entry, option B double accounts, option C impressed system, option D none of this. Correct answer option C ആണ്, option C impressed system. Next question. Sales day book contains only. Option A cash sales, option B credit sales, option C consignment sales, option D exports. Correct answer option B ആണ്, option B credit sales. Sixth question. Cash discount is allowed for. Option A prompt repayment, option B bulk purchases, option C frequent purchases, option D none of these. Correct answer option A prompt repayment. Seventh question. Cash in hand always shows dash balance. Option A credit balance, option B debit balance, option C either credit or debit, option D none of this. Correct answer option B ആണ്, debit balance. Eighth question. Closing stock is valued at. Option A cost price, option B market price, option C average price, option D cost price or market price, whichever is lower. Correct answer option D ആണ്, cost price or market price, whichever is lower. Ninth question. Nominal accounts are also known as. Option A real accounts, option B personal accounts, option C fictitious accounts, option D none of this. Correct answer option C ആണ്, fictitious accounts. 10th question. A check issued with a future date is called dash check. Option A antedated, option B stale, option C mutilated, option D post dated. Correct answer option D ആണ്, post dated check. Dash is prepared to know the trading results of a business. Option A manufacturing accounts, option B P&L accounts, option C P&L appropriation account, option D trading accounts. Answer B profit and loss accounts. 12th question. Indirect expenses are shown in the dash. Option A P&L account, option B trading account, option C balance sheet, option D P&L appropriation account. Answer A ആണ്, profit and loss account. Next question. Wages and salaries are shown in. Option A P&L account, option B trading account, option C P&L appropriation account, option D balance sheet. Correct answer B ആണ്, option B trading account. Next question. Carriage is debited to. Option A, P&L account. Option B, sales account. Option C, P&L appropriation account. Option D, trading account. Correct answer option D ആണ് trading account. 15th question. Reserve for discount on debtors is option A, credited to P&L account. Option B, debited to P&L account. Option C, debited to trading account. Option D, credited to trading account. ആൻസർ ബി ആണ് ഡെബിറ്റഡ് ടു P&L account. അതായത് റിസർവ് ഫോർ ഡിസ്കൗണ്ട് ഓൺ ഡെപ്റ്റേഴ്സ് ഈസ് ഡെബിറ്റഡ് ടു പ്രോഫിറ്റ് ആൻഡ് ലോസ് അക്കൗണ്ട്. Next question. Dash is the motto of cooperatives. Option A, profit. B, service. Option C, wealth. Option D, none of this. Correct answer option B, service. Next question. The first marketing cooperative in India was organized at option A, New Delhi. Option B, Chennai. C, Kolkata. Option D, Hubli. Correct answer option D, Hubli. Next question. Dash acts as the nodal marketing agency in the cooperative sector at national level. Option A, NAFED. Option B, NCDC. Option C, NCCF. Option D, RDC. Correct answer option A, NAFED. Next question. The overall in charge of planning and coordination of the center cooperative training programs in the country is entrusted with option A, NCCT. Option B, NCDE. Option C, NAFED. Option D, NCDC. Correct answer option A, NCCT. Next question. The word cooperation is derived from A, Latin word. Option B, French word. Option C, English word. Option D, none of this. Correct answer option A, Latin word. The 21st question. Madras Cooperative Societies Act was enacted in the year. Option A, 1913. Option B, 1956. Option C, 1932. Option D, 1914. Correct answer option C, 1932. 22nd question. Cochin Cooperative Societies Act was enacted in the year. Option A, 1932. Option B, 1956. Option C, 1926. Option D, 1913. Correct answer option D, 1913. Next question. Kerala Cooperative Societies Act was enacted in the year. Option A, 1956. Option B, 1969. Option C, 1972. Option D, 1975. Correct answer option B, 1969. Next question. Dash control is the principle of cooperation. Option A, centralized control. Option B, democratic control. Option C, autocratic control. Option D, none of this. Correct answer option B ആണ് democratic control is the principle of cooperation. Next question. Dash is called as the father of cooperation. Option A, Robert Owen. Option B, Robertson. Option C, H. Plunkett. Option D, H. Calvert. Correct answer option A, Robert Owen. Next question. In Kerala Cooperative Societies Act, the maximum dividend is fixed at option A, 10%. Option B, 15%. Option C, 25%. Option D, 20%. Correct answer option C, 25%. Next question. A minimum of dash members is required for the formation of a cooperative society. Option A, 7. Option B, 10. Option C, 2. Option D, 25. Correct answer option D, 25. Next question. The members of cooperative society having Option A, limited liability. Option B, unlimited liability. Option C, joint liability. Option D, joint and several liability. Answer option A, limited liability. Next question. A cooperative society is a union of persons. Option B, union of capital. Option C, union of money. Option D, union of entrepreneurs. Correct answer option A, union of persons. Next question. In a cooperative society, dash is never allowed. Option A, meeting. Option B, proxy. Option C, voting. Option D, audit. Correct answer option B ആണ് proxy. Next question. Which of the following is established for promoting inter-cooperative trade at the international level? Option A, NCUI. Option B, NCCT. Option C, ICA. Option D, CCT. Correct answer option C, ICA. That is International Cooperative Alliance. Next question. Apex society means option A, state level society. Option B, district level society. Option C, village level society. Option D, national level society. Correct answer option A, state level society. Next question. Which of the following is a supreme authority of a cooperative society? Option A, managing committee. Option B, general body. Option C, ad hoc committee. Option D, board of directors. Correct answer option B, general body. Next question. The maximum period of a managing committee is option A, 3 years. Option B, 4 years. Option C, 5 years. Option D, 6 years. Correct answer option C, 5 years. Next question. The maximum number of members in a managing committee in the case of a primary society is option A, 10. Option B, 13. Option C, 20. Option D, 25. Correct answer option B, 13. The maximum number of members of managing committee in the case of societies other than primary societies. Option A, 10. Option B, 15. Option C, 20. Option D, 25. Correct answer D ആണ് 25. Next question. The ad hoc committee will be in power of a period of dash from the date of registration of societies. Option A, 2 months. Option B, 6 months. Option C, 3 months. Option D, 9 months. Correct answer option C, 3 months. Next question. According to bylaws of the societies, the quorum for general body is usually 1/3 of the members. Option B, 2/3 of the total members. Option C, 1/5 of the total members. Option B, 2/5 of the total members. That the correct answer goes to option C, 1/5 of the total members of the society. Next question. Responsibility to conduct the audit of all cooperatives is vested with the option A, government. Option B, Reserve Bank of India. Option C, Registrar of Cooperative Societies. Option D, Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Correct answer goes to option C, Registrar of Cooperative Societies. Next question. Kerala Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation was established in the year option A, 1956. Option B, 1980. Option C, 1991. Option D, 1985. Correct answer option B, 1980. Next question. A DCC bank is a federal society of all primary societies in a option A, Panchayat. Option B, Taluk. Option C, district. Option D, state. Correct answer goes to option C, district. Next question. The International Cooperative Day is celebrated on first Saturday of July. Option B, third Saturday of June. Option C, first Saturday of August. Option D, third Saturday of August. Correct answer option A, first Saturday of July. Next question. In India, we celebrate the Cooperative Week. Option A from 14 to 20 November. Option B from 14 to 20 July. Option C from 14 to 20th December. Option D from 14th to 20th January. Correct answer option A from 14th to 20th November. Next question. Dash is a monthly publication brought out by the State Cooperative Union. Option A, the Kerala Cooperative Journal. Option B, Cooperation Kerala. Option C, Cooperate. Option D, none of this. Answer A, the Kerala Cooperative Journal. Next question. Dash is the national bank to regulate and control the rural credit in India. Option A, SBI. Option B, cooperative banks. Option C, NABARD. Option D, urban banks. Correct answer option C, NABARD. Next question. Accumulated depreciation account is shown on option A, the liability side of balance sheet. Option B, debit side of P&L account. Option C, credit side of P&L account. Option D, debit side of trading account. Correct answer option A, the liability side of balance sheet. Next question. The preparation of trial balance helps in locating option A, compensating errors. Option B, error of principle. Option C, error of partial omission. Option D, error of total omission. Correct answer goes to option C, error of partial omission. Next question. Debit what comes in and credit what goes out is applicable to personal accounts, real accounts. Option C, nominal account. Option D, none of this. Correct answer option B, real accounts. Next question. The oldest form of business organization is option A, sole proprietorship. Option B, partnership. Option C, companies. Option D, cooperatives. Correct answer option A, sole proprietorship. Next question. Which of the following is a revenue expenditure? Option A, asset purchased. Option B, installation wages. Option C, weekly wage paid. Option D, expenditure on acquisition of goodwill. Correct answer option C, weekly wages paid.